If you've been wanting to trade crypto on BingX but have no clue where to start, this quick tutorial takes you from absolute beginner to confidently placing your first trades. BingX might look complicated and may overwhelm you at first, but once you understand the basics, it's actually one of the easiest and powerful exchanges to use. And with my exclusive link down in the description below, you will unlock a massive welcome rewards package. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use BingX and how to claim every bonus available. Let's get into it. Here's why BingX is one of my top choices when recommending an exchange. BingX is one of the fastest growing exchanges in the crypto industry, trusted by millions of traders worldwide and backed by solid infrastructure since 2018 and is consistently in the top 30 crypto exchanges globally. BingX offers a fast and simple registration where you can literally start trading futures in just a few minutes. BingX is also known to be an exchange with deep liquidity, which means your orders fill at the price you see, even when using high leverage. BingX offers a wide range of coins, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins and even newer tokens. BingX also offers multiple trading options such as spot trading, futures with up to 150 times leverage, copy trading where you can mirror professional traders, and a wide range of grid bots for automated strategies. And then there's the huge bonus opportunities, deposit rewards, trading volume bonuses, KYC rewards, and exclusive challenges that can earn you thousands in USDT. With an easy interface, top-tier security, and rewarding features, BingX is built for traders of all levels. So let's get started. All right, let's get your account set up. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses I just mentioned. You can sign up with your email or phone number or connect via Google or Apple for even faster registration. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail to sign up. Once you enter your email, create a strong password, complete the verification, and you're in. You're now inside your BingX account and ready to start trading. The bonuses will be unlocked as you complete certain actions like depositing, trading, and verifying your identity. I'll walk you through all of that step by step. Before we deposit anything, you need to understand how BingX organizes your funds. BingX uses different account types to help you manage your trading. Funding account. This is where your deposits land first. Think of it as your main wallet. You'll transfer funds from here to other accounts when you want to trade. Spot account. This is for buying and selling cryptocurrencies at market prices without leverage. It's ideal if you just want to hold assets or trade normally. Futures account. This is for leverage trading, allowing you to take larger positions than your balance allows. This is also where most of the bonus rewards get unlocked based on your trading volume. Copy trading account. This lets you automatically mirror experienced traders without needing to analyze every trade yourself. It's great for beginners who want to learn while earning. Bots account. This is for automated bot trading strategies that buy low and sell high repeatedly within a set range. And lastly, wealth account. Here you can stake your coins and earn passive rewards over time, similar to earning interest. Now that you understand the account structure, let's get some funds in and start claiming those bonuses. Go to the top right corner and click on Deposit. Now, USDT is ideal for trading because it's stable and widely used, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting USDT, I recommend choosing the TRC20 network because it has very low fees and fast confirmation times. You'll see your personal deposit address right here. Copy it carefully. Make sure you copy the entire address. Then go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, select the same network, and send your crypto. It usually takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to arrive. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, just to make sure everything worked correctly and that the network matches on both sides. Now, here's where the bonuses start to kick in. With my link, you get access to exclusive rewards. You can get up to 30 USDT just for signing up. Up to 500 USDT for completing advanced identity verification, another 500 USDT as a deposit reward, and up to 500 USDT as a trading reward. And then there are the exclusive trading challenges. These are volume-based rewards where you can earn from 5 USDT for 5,000 USDT in trading volume all the way up to 6,000 USDT for 70 million USDT in futures trading volume. So the more you trade, the more bonuses you unlock. Some rewards may require identity verification, but the platform checks everything automatically, and if you qualify, the bonus will be credited to your account. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy it directly on BingX using your local currency. Go to the top menu and click on Buy Crypto and choose P2P Trading, and here you can see another tab with two more options for buying crypto. First is P2P Trading. This lets you buy USDT directly from other users. You select your currency, choose a seller, follow their payment instructions, and the USDT gets released to your spot wallet. Second option is Quick Buy. This is the fastest way. Select Buy then, you select your currency, choose USDT, and pay with a card, Wise, Zelle, or even MoonPay. Third option is buying via Fiat deposits. Select your currency, input the amount you want to deposit, and select a payment method. You can choose PIX or SEPA with this option. Fees are a bit higher when buying with Fiat, but it's the easiest way to get started if you're completely new to crypto. And when you use my link, you still get the same bonus structure on top of your deposit. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it quickly. First, transfer your funds from the funding account to the spot account. You can do this by going to Assets, then Transfer, and selecting the amount you want to move. Then go to Spot Trading by clicking Spot, then Spot. Search for your trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, and click Sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. From there, you can transfer it to your futures account and start leverage trading. Now let's move on to the main event on futures trading. Hover over futures in the top menu. Here you'll see a few options. First is USDM futures. These are contracts settled in USD, USDT, or USDC. You can also see here the futures contract for gold and silver. Next is coin margin futures. This is also known as inverse futures, where contracts are settled in the crypto itself, like BTC or ETH. Lastly is standard futures. These are USDT settled contracts, which is what most traders use. You can also see here educational material provided by BingX if you want to learn more. For this tutorial, we'll be using stand-up futures settled in USDT. Click on BTC USDT. This will bring you to the futures trading dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading, and I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. Trading pair selection is at the top left. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT, or any other coin. The price chart is in the center. It shows the historical price movement, and you can switch between different time frames like 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, or daily charts. On the right side, you'll find the order book. Red numbers are sell orders and green numbers are buy orders. This shows you the live market depth. The order placement panel is on the far right. This is where you'll place your trades, set your leverage, choose your order type, and enter your position size. And finally, at the bottom, there's the positions panel. This shows your active trades, your profit and loss in real time, and your liquidation price. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Now let's configure your settings before placing your first trade. Before placing any trade, you need to configure two very important settings. First, switch to isolated margin. You'll see this option at the top of the order panel. Isolated margin protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position, not your entire balance. Second, set your leverage. BingX allows up to 150 times leverage on certain pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. Here's how it works. If you have a $100 balance and use 5 times leverage, you get a $500 position buying power. This means you're controlling $500 worth of Bitcoin with only $100 of your own money. Higher leverage means higher risk. If the market moves against you, you can get liquidated faster. So for this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. That's a safe starting point. All right, let's place a long trade, meaning we're betting that Bitcoin will go up. First, choose market order so your trade executes instantly at the current market price. Next, set your position size. For example, let's say I want to open a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that means I'm only using $10 of my own capital. Now here's the most important part. Always set a stop loss and take profit. This is non-negotiable. Enable take profit and stop loss to open the settings. I'll set my stop loss to risk $2 and my take profit to make $6. That's a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, which is a solid strategy. Once everything is set, click long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the positions panel at the bottom, your entry price, your current profit and loss, your margin, and your liquidation price. And remember, every trade you make counts toward your trading volume bonuses. The more you trade, the more rewards you unlock. From 5 USDT all the way up to 6,000 USDT, depending on your volume. And if you want to short the market, meaning you think the price will go down, just go to short and click on the short button. Everything else works exactly the same way. Before we continue, make sure to use the link down below when you sign up. Fake scam sites are everywhere online. My link down below ensures you're on the real BingX platform, keeps your funds safe, lets you unlock the welcome bonus package, and helps support the channel at the zero extra cost to you. Once your trade is open, you can manage it in real time. As your trade moves in your favor, you can adjust your stop loss to secure profits. For example, once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even so you can't lose money even if the market reverses. You can also increase or reduce your position size while it's active by clicking Add or Reduce. To close your trade, you have a few options. Let your take profit or stop loss close it automatically. You can also close manually by clicking the Close button. You also have an option to close a percentage of the position if you want to take partial profits, or you can simply adjust. Take profit and stop loss directly on the chart by dragging the lines. Before we wrap up, here are some essential rules for trading safely. Start with small position sizes. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% of your account per trade. This protects you from big losses while you're learning. Always use stop losses. This is non-negotiable. Never enter a trade without knowing your exit point. Keep a trading journal. Write down every trade you take, why you took it, and what happened. This will help you improve over time. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading can give you financial freedom, but it can also be risky if you don't manage it properly. Trading is a skill that takes time, repetition, and discipline. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Now focus on learning first and the profits will follow. Alright, that's everything you need to know to start trading on BingX. Build your skills, test your strategies, and stay disciplined. If you're ready to get started, use the link in the description. It activates your exclusive bonus package with up to 9,800 USDT in rewards, deposit bonuses, trading volume bonuses, and access to exclusive challenges. I'll also be uploading more BingX tutorials covering topics like copy trading, grid bots, and advanced futures strategies. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.